The cabin filter is located underneath your glove box. Remove the plastic screws that secure the foam panel to the glove box. Remove the foam panel. Unlock the housing door by sliding it to the right, then remove the old filter. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the front of the car. Align the top tabs and slide the housing door to the left to lock it into place. Reinstall the foam panel. Reinstall the screws.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.